In this video, we will see list. A list is a collection which is ordered and changeable in Python. Lists are written with square brackets. Let's see with an example. So this is the example of list. Now we will see how to access items in list. Like array, we can access elements of list with the index, where apple is on the 0 index. There is one more thing which is negative index. Let's see. For example, if you write here -1, this will print cherry. Before 0, -1 go back to the last index. -2 will go to the banana. There is also a range of index in list. Let's see with the example from 1 to 2. I want to read banana and cherry. Banana is at the 1 and cherry is oh sorry. In the range we see from where to start and where we are going to end. So we are starting from 1, which is banana, and we are ending at third index, which is cherry. Third element, not third indexed. Now we will see how to change the value of list. Value of some element. For example, here at first position this banana, and I want to change the banana into something else. So I will replace the banana with empty, and then I will print my list again. and at the first position we will see which element is available, which is empty. First, before changing, at the first index we will find the banana, and after changing we will see empty. We can also access list with loops. Let's see with an example. My list, this will print the list one by one with for loop. Apple, banana, then cherry. We can also find elements in a list if exist or not. So let's see with an example. If apple in my list, yes, apple exists. If we not found any element, like I searching for mobile in my list which is not available, this will return nothing because we are not printing the else part. We can also check the length of our list with len function. Which is 3. We can also add elements with append function into the list. Let's see with an example. Print my list, and now I will append orange. As you can see, orange is added to the list. We can also remove an item from list with remove function. Let's check with an example. I want to remove banana. We can also perform pop operation, which will remove the last added element from the list with pop function. This will remove cherry, which is at the last of the list, like we remove element from stack. We can also remove some specific index from the list with del keyword. Let's see with an example. I want to delete the 0th index of my list, so I will use this syntax, and this is remove the apple which is at the 0th position. The delete keyword also deletes the whole list if we doesn't specify the index value like this. This will remove the whole list. As we can see the error here. List is deleted. First this is printed, and after del keyword is used, this is deleted. We can also clear the list for new elements, or we can blank with clear function. As you can see here, list is cleared. We can also copy the list with the copy function. Let's see with an example. I want to create a new list, my list 2, which is the copy of my old list. So I will use my list dot copy. This will copy the whole list. As you can see, list 2 is the copy of list 1. We can also make the copy of list with list function like this, and we will pass the old list into this function. We can also join two lists. Let's see with an example. Here my list 1, and I want to add with list 2. And I will store this in my list 3. So I will add my list plus my list 1, my list 2, and this will stored in list 3. As you can see, list 1 is added to the list 2, and both lists are now combined. We can also add two lists with extend function like this. We want to extend the list 1, which is my list extend extend, and here I will extend with list 2. Now my list is extended. As you can see, both lists are joined, and list 1, which is my list, is extended with the element of list 2. So we can perform various operations on list. So that's it for now.